Do you want to learn how to quickly and easily delete reposts on TikTok in 2023? In this video, I'll show you step by step the best way to get rid of any unwanted reposts. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app, and then, for the purpose of this video, let's repost this video. To do that, tap on the share button at the bottom right. And then tap on repost. As you can see, I reposted this video, so let's delete this repost. To do that, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on this repost icon over here. And now you'll be able to see all of the videos that you've reposted on TikTok. So if you want to delete any of these reposts, just tap on the video that you want to delete, then tap on the share button at the bottom right. And then simply tap on remove repost. And now that repost has been removed. So you can follow these simple steps to remove any reposts from your account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.